I wanted to make money online. $1,000 was my goal. It felt huge. It felt possible. I knew I could do it. I just needed to find my way. This wasn't about getting rich quick. This was about proving something to myself. I wanted to control my own destiny. I wanted to build something from nothing. The internet was full of opportunities. I just needed to find the right ones for me. I was ready to put in the work. I was ready to hustle. Don't forget to like and share. I started by researching. I spent hours diving into the vast ocean of information available online. There were so many ways to make money online. Freelancing, affiliate marketing, online surveys, dropshipping, blogging, and even creating digital products. The list went on and on, each method promising potential income and opportunities. I felt overwhelmed at first. The sheer volume of information was daunting, and I didn't know where to start. But I took it one step at a time. I read articles, watched videos, and listened to podcasts. Each piece of content provided a new perspective and valuable insights. I learned about different platforms and strategies, from Upwork to Fiverr, and from SEO techniques to social media algorithms. I absorbed as much as I could. I decided to focus on freelancing. It seemed like the best fit for my skills and interests. I had some skills I could offer, like writing and social media management. These were in demand, and I felt confident I could provide value. Affiliate marketing also seemed interesting. The idea of earning a commission by promoting products I believed in was appealing. I could promote products I believed in and earn a commission. It was a win-win situation, both for me and the companies I would partner with. It was time to put my research into action. I created profiles on freelancing platforms, started writing content, and began promoting products. I was ready for the challenge. With determination and a clear plan, I embarked on my journey into the online world, eager to see where it would take me. I signed up for Upwork and Fiverr. These platforms connected freelancers with potential clients. I created profiles, highlighting my skills and experience. I started applying for gigs. I tailored each application to the specific job requirements. I put my best foot forward. It wasn't easy. There was a lot of competition. I faced rejection after rejection. It was discouraging at times, but I didn't give up. I knew I had to be persistent. Section 4. The thrill of the first $50. Then it happened. I got my first gig. It was a small writing job paying only $50, but it felt like a huge victory. I put my heart and soul into that project. I wanted to impress my client. I delivered high-quality work on time and on budget. The client was happy. I was ecstatic. That first $50 was a game changer. It proved to myself that I could do this. It fueled my motivation to keep going. Section 5. Branching out and scaling up. This section is all about expanding horizons and taking calculated risks to grow. With some experience under my belt, I started exploring other opportunities. I spent countless hours researching and learning about different avenues to diversify my income. I diversified my income streams. This meant not relying on just one source of income, but creating multiple streams to ensure financial stability. I didn't want to put all my eggs in one basket. Diversification was key to mitigating risks and ensuring that if one stream failed, others would keep me afloat. I joined an affiliate marketing program for a product I loved. This allowed me to earn commissions by promoting products I was genuinely passionate about. I started promoting it on my social media channels and website. Leveraging my online presence helped me reach a wider audience and increase my earnings. I also experimented with other online earning methods like taking surveys and participating in paid focus groups. These activities provided additional income and valuable insights. It was all about testing and iterating. I constantly tried new strategies and refined them based on the results. I learned what worked and what didn't. This trial and error approach helped me identify the most effective methods for generating income. I adapted my strategies along the way. Flexibility and willingness to change were crucial in navigating the ever-evolving landscape of online income generation. Section 6. Hitting milestones. $500 and beyond. My income started to grow. It was a thrilling journey, filled with ups and downs, but every step was worth it. I landed bigger and better freelance gigs. Each new project brought new challenges and opportunities, pushing me to improve my skills and expand my network. My affiliate marketing efforts began to pay off. I started seeing a steady stream of income from the links I shared and the content I created. It was a game changer. I hit my first $500 milestone. I was on fire. The sense of accomplishment was overwhelming, and it fueled my drive to aim even higher. I kept hustling, kept learning, kept growing. I invested time in online courses, read countless articles, and stayed up late to hone my craft. The journey was demanding but incredibly rewarding. I knew I was getting closer to my goal of $1,000. And then it happened. I reached my target. The moment was surreal, a testament to my hard work and perseverance. It was an incredible feeling. I shared the news with my loved ones, and their support made the achievement even sweeter. It was a milestone worth celebrating. All the hard work, the late nights, the setbacks, it had all been worth it. Every challenge I faced taught me something valuable, and every setback was a setup for a comeback. I had proven to myself that I could achieve anything I set my mind to. The journey was far from over, but this milestone was a powerful reminder of what I was capable of achieving. Section 7. The Power of Hustle and Consistency. My journey from $0 to $1,000 online was a testament to the power of hustle and consistency. It wasn't always easy, but it was always worth it. If you're thinking about starting your own online income journey, my advice is simple. Just start. Don't wait for the perfect moment or the perfect plan. The best time to start is now. Believe in yourself. Put in the work, and never give up on your dreams. You got this. Don't forget to like and share the video.